Hello guys, it's Chris from thedaxtrader.co.uk and it's Friday. Hope you had a good week. I certainly did. I had a fantastic Forex week this week, which I'll look at in just a moment. But if we just go and take a look into the DAX for this week, we have created this profile today, this one on the right hand side. The high and the low are both within the low and the high of yesterday, so it was a sluggish day. It started off with a gap lower which closed, and it gave the impression that it was going to look to build, but it just didn't really do anything or go anywhere today. I took two trades on the DAX, one at 9:30 this morning, which was over here. It was a long, it didn't work out, and I got stopped out for a loser there, a stop loss. And then my second trade was a long about 4:30 in the afternoon, but it was pretty much a break-even trade, that one. So not that much to really be overly pleased with. So that's just one of those things. That's how trading works. There isn't much that we can really do about it. You just got to take the opportunities that come, and when they don't, it's just one of those things. As long as you use good risk management, you can settle for the situations where you don't get winners all the time. Okay, so DAX trades have been, or FTSE trades have been pretty slow this week. DAX trades haven't performed very well this week, but that's just one of those things. That's variance in trading, it happens. But what has performed incredibly well are the signals. So I'm just going to go over the Forex signals, I should say. Just going to go over to the website here, and let's just see if I can turn this on. Here we go, that's the website. I've just changed the theme up just to make it simple and more user-friendly for mobiles, so thank you for patience on that. And let's just go and take a look into it. So if we go onto the signals page, and let's just scroll down to the results. Let's just go to the FX results over here, and it'll just take a second or two to load up. And we'll go and take a look at what we did. So this is April's results now. So you'll see here that last week I was at minus 6% for my Q2 growth. It was not particularly good, but this week has completely turned that around, so I'm really quite pleased with how that's looking now. And it started off with this one. So we had from the 22nd of April a whole bunch of trades, and the majority of them were shorts. So Dollar Chief, we had Aussie Yen, Aussie Chief, Pound Chief, Cable. We had Euro NZD, which is the only long trade out of that sample. EJ, we had the Aussie, all sorts of different crosses that were in here. The majority of them short, and you'll notice that quite a few of them I managed to get a little bit out of before hitting a break even. And that's just one of those things. Sometimes it just runs like that. It's frustrating. Sometimes I don't get anything from a trade. It just goes away and turns around. Not much I can really do about it. But I did manage to see quite a few profit targets here. My first trade of the week was a stop loss, followed by a target. This one actually, I've just wondered why there's a value here. It must be because I didn't update this profit target. And what I'll probably do is I'll just go and change the spreadsheet later, just so I can see the headers up the top. So as I scroll down, it still shows that. That might be the easiest thing to do. Okay, so what else? Yeah, followed by a profit target, another one. That's what TP stands for. TP is take profit, SL is stop loss, and the numbers are the price that I got out of the trade. And so, yeah, quite a few profit targets actually. In fact, there's 6 or 7 there in that small little sample, which is unusual. But there are also quite a few where I managed to get a few points out of it, so I was quite pleased with that as well. So overall, you can just see the percentages just ticking up here, which was really nice. And yeah, got off to a strong start on Monday, which was the bank holiday. So it doesn't stop me and my partner from trading. So we also had on the 23rd, again, another strong start. We had a couple of, this was the little cluster of profit targets, which was nice. A few small winners and another very close to profit target. That's a very good trade, that oil trade. I hope you guys managed to get in on that. Got in at 65.80 for a sell and got out at 62 59. So that was a really, really nice trade. That's actually 321 points or pips. It actually says 3.21 there, but that's going to be updated. So that is going to increase the point score that you see here. So when you come to see that and you think, well, hold on a minute, that was a different number, that's the reason why. And so yeah, as you scroll down the list, you'll see a whole bunch of really, really good trades that came out, and the majority of them I just closed up for the rest of the day. So the last few were a small bunch of losers that you get from your drawdown trades or whatever. But overall, the losers are only 1%, and the winners are larger when they are able to run. So really, really pleased with that. And so come and check all of that stuff out on the website, kind of look through that all if you're interested in learning a little bit more about it and what we can do and how our technology all sends the information through. But until Monday, guys, that's me done. So I hope you have a nice weekend. Hope you had a great trading week. Thanks for bearing with me while the website was just being changed earlier. But take care, and we'll see you on Monday.